About cars like this. If you have a car like this, or rather a used car, what are some of the things that you need to know to maintain and upkeep those cars before it fails? But today specifically, we'll be talking about batteries. If you have a battery, when do you know when to change it? What are some of the signs? Today we're going to use 5 things to know when it's time to change your battery. Let's go.
A typical factory battery lasts up to 3 years.
So if it's about the 2-year mark for your battery, it might be time to get it changed, just to be safe. After all, doing preventative maintenance is a lot better than waiting for your battery to fail. You don't want to wait for a scenario where you go down to your car, start up the car only to find out that your battery is dead, having to call for a replacement on the spot and missing out on that day's activities. Especially if your car hasn't been used in a long time or is often idle, that might make the battery weaker, and a weaker battery dies faster. If you find that your headlights weren't as bright as they were before, it may be a sign of weaker power coming from the battery. Flickering headlights may also be a sign it's time for you to change your battery. After all, you don't want to take safety for granted with suboptimal headlight power, especially when you're driving around at night. After all, these lights are not just for you to see the road, it's also for others to see you on the road. Dying car batteries smell like rotten eggs. That's because the water and sulfuric acid mixture gets disrupted during evaporation, boils over and leaks out, which explains the sulfurous odor that overwhelms your nostrils and stings your eyes. If left unchecked, this could affect other parts of your car. If your car behaves sluggishly and can't start up quickly, that's a telltale sign of a dying car battery. You're experiencing a longer response time or lag because there's an insufficient electrical current inside the battery to start up the ignition system and starter motor. If you spot white substance on your car battery's cable connectors, this means your terminals are corroded. These white bits can hinder the flow of electric current passing through the terminals, affecting your car's electronics. Cleaning away the white bits is only a temporary fix. It might indicate a more serious underlying problem inside your car battery. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it may be time to change your batteries. C-Works is created by Toyota Tsusho, yes, the Toyota Group, so you know it's made with quality materials that can stand the test of time.
C-Works batteries are available for most car models with various sizes.
To find out more about C-Works batteries, visit the link in the description now.